Auto repair brake maintenance expert expands into Round Rock, Texas. Motorman Car Care Center has expanded its auto repair services for timing belt issues and brake servicing in Round Rock, Texas. They have developed a reputation for high-quality service and utilize state-of-the-art equipment with all their solutions. Motorman Car Care Center is fitted with cutting-edge equipment to diagnose, replace and repair engine issues. They strive to provide hassle-free service with affordable, high-quality solutions. Find out more at motormangarage.com.